I'm so glad I'm getting this on fucking camera.
Oh shit, the roof is coming off. Look at that.
A massive storm roared across the region, dark clouds swallowing the sky as violent winds tore through Cape Town. Trees bent under pressure, rooftops shook violently, and chaos spread quickly as residents braced themselves against one of the most destructive storms in recent memory. Powerful winds swept through the city with unstoppable force, ripping through streets and homes as everything in their path was thrown into chaos. Objects flew across roads, trees were uprooted, and visibility dropped as residents struggled to stand against the relentless storm.
Kyk hierso. Ek kan stort loop. Kyk hoe baie die bome om.
Chaos erupted everywhere as the storm intensified, turning calm neighborhoods into disaster zones. Sirens echoed through the air while debris scattered across streets. Panic spread among residents as they rushed for safety, witnessing destruction unfolding in real time across the entire city.
Oh my goodness.